Good evening, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So today let's look at what happened on the market. So currently HGS Nifty is trading around 15,355, which is more than 50 points higher than the close. So Nifty today, let's look at this. So 25th. So today opened a slight gap up and then started falling, and then the whole day it started moving up, and in the second half it was completely consolidating. So the way the first 15 minutes fell was like it was going to fall heavily, but then it retested the yesterday lows and then it started moving up. The whole day it was consolidating around this area, but market Nifty particularly is very bullish, extremely bullish. We can see that 15,300 is sustained, but BNF, I mean like Bank Nifty was spoiling the entire party. So it was stuck in the decision zone and could not move above that. So all the banking stocks were performing very poor. So they're all stuck in the congestion zone. They have to move out of that. So Reliance made a gap up and then it survived that. So Nifty was overall strong, but bank was completely weak and then it was spoiling the entire party. Otherwise, today it would have been a short covering from 15,300 levels and above. So we missed on that. So coming to the open interest, Nifty is having the highest resistance at 15,500. So a mild resistance at 15,350 and then 400 is having a good support and like good resistance, and 15,500 is having the huge resistance. Coming to the base, 15,300 is having a good support. It is building up, and 15,200 is having a huge support. So tomorrow's range is going to be this 15,200 to 15,300 or 350 if it sustains above. Short covering may come. I think the banking stocks have to support on that. So coming to Bank Nifty, the support is at 34,500 and 34,000 levels. Above 35,000 is having a huge resistance. So it has to break it decisively to move above that. So if it sustains above that, then 35,300 is the next level to watch. So let's look out for tomorrow's action on that, whether BNF supports or no. So coming to the indices, Nifty Energy and Nifty Metals was the poor performer today. So especially on Nifty Metals, so metals are in downtrend. You see, I had mentioned this in on 14th May and gave these targets. So if you check my previous video about Nifty Metals dips, then you can see what are the levels I mentioned. I think all the levels have been met now, but still more room left on the downside. I'm expecting 4,800 levels, and that is the last support. If it falls below that, then 4,500 may come. But again, metals have to decide when it has to go down and go up. But as of now, this is the downtrend for metals. If you come to Tata Steel, after making a top of around 1,200, 1,186, it started falling now and currently at 1,082. So personally, I'm expecting around 950 levels to start accumulating. So this is the expectation from metal side. If you have any different views, please post on our comments section. let's have a deep dig on that and then we can share the knowledges. So coming to stock specific actions, Ara Pharma. Ara Pharma is the pick for tomorrow. Let me take it to the daily. So Ara Pharma has given a breakout. The previous resistance is already broken. It is on the exact resistance side. So tomorrow we have to look for a break on the upside. So if you see tomorrow, if it gives a breakdown below, please don't jump into the put side on the 15 minutes because it may take a support there and then again it may start moving. So please note this. Hindustan Aeronautics. HSCL. Himadri has given a huge breakout. So please use these levels. 53, 53 and above. A huge upside is possible. Let's look at the weekly chart. So the first one, it is exactly at the first target. The second target will be around 59, 62, 68 and 71. Infi again gave a breakout and it is back to the 52-week high. So please keep this in radar for tomorrow. These are the primary picks. Just dial. Jyoti Labs, RK Forge. Look at this, guys. A huge volume supporting. The market is on the upside. Every week it is breaking the weekly high. 667. So these are the primary picks and the momentum stocks for tomorrow. So coming to the FIDA data, FI has keep on increasing their long positions. They are 65% longs as of now. Hedged with 53% of index puts. Overall, they are 57% longs. So as of now, they are extremely bullish on the uh, index. So today BPCL has announced a dividend of 58 rupees per share. So people holding the BPCL shares, please note this. So these were the picks for today, and I expect except JSW Steel, everybody was performing well. IFB India, DLF, Emphasis, TCS. So let me show you the IT index. So IT index is back to form now. They are nearing the 27,374 levels. So currently at 26,857 levels. So all the Nifty, IT stocks are back to form. They're having the huge open, long build up. So please note these levels. It is close to a breakout. So after performing poor for almost more than 3 to 4 weeks, then again started to move up. So that's all for today. So if you like this content, please like and share and subscribe. Thanks, guys. And if you have any queries or comments on this analysis, please post your queries and comments on that. Let's dig more on that and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys. Have a great night.